Magandang araw sa lahat. A public officer or a public servant or an employee consulted us regarding a pending administrative case against him. A complaint was filed against him for grave misconduct and dishonesty. And of course, I entertained him. Reason? Because despite the complaint filed against him, well, under the Constitution, he is presumed innocent. And not only that, he has the right to present evidence for his defense. But in the course of our conversation, one of the issues raised is that how about if the complainant will withdraw his complaint or will execute an affidavit of desistance? So I said, well, the complainant may do so, but will it be entertained by the administrative investigating agency? The general rule, it will not be entertained. But assuming that it will be entertained, will it be considered by the administrative body or the investigating agency as a ground for dismissal of the administrative complaint? The answer is no. A withdrawal of an administrative complaint or an affidavit of desistance is not a ground for the dismissal of an administrative case, not because the complainant already pardoned the respondent. It does not follow that the administrative case be dismissed. If ever it will be dismissed by the administrative body, it should be on the merits, but not because of the affidavit of desistance or withdrawal. So, be careful if you are a public officer or employee. Mga kababayan, ay siyempre, may karapatan naman siya. So, pinag-uusapan namin yung mga possible na depensa in the preparation of his counter affidavit and affidavit of witnesses. Pero isa nga sa napag-usapan, paano yan kung i-atras? Okay lang kung gumawa siya ng affidavit of desistance, i-withdraw niya, kaya lang, tanggapin ba kaya ng investigating agency yan? A general rule, hindi yan tatanggapin. But granting naman na tinanggap, okay, tinanggap. Iyon ba ang dahilan para ma-dismiss ang kaso? Hindi. Kung sakaling ma-dismiss man ang administrative complaint laban sa official na to, it should be on the merits, not because of the affidavit of desistance. Okay, so mga kababayan, medyo masalimot, mahirap din ang taga-gobyerno kasi maliit na bagay, minsan hinaharas na sila. Nagkamali lang ng konti, pinapalaki ng complainant. Kaya dapat ipagtanggol din. Kaya lang meron ding babala. Kasi meron ding talagang nasa gobyerno, meron na. At marami ito, na mga abusado. Marami. At ano pa, nako, lalo na yung taga-gobyernong yan, na sobrang lakas, ang baker, ang padrino. Nako, yan ang mga abusado. Kung sino pa nga yung mga walang backer na nasa gobyerno, yun yung matitino talaga, hindi nag-aaboso. Pero kung yung mga nasa gobyerno na, nako, bigat ang backer, nako, mabigat din ang pag-aaboso. O sana mga kababayan, nakatulong na naman itong aming tanggapan. Ano yon? Na kahit i-atras o i-withdraw or mag-execute ng affidavit of desistance ang complainant laban sa isang taga-gobyerno in an administrative case. Tulad nito na medyo mabigat na kaso kung sa isang tingin, mabigat. Pero ano bang katibayan talaga? Grave misconduct daw, dishonesty. Yan ang sabi lang. Okay, sana nakapaglingkod na naman itong aming tanggapan. Maraming salamat at magandang araw sa lahat.